SoundHound AI stock. So the company will report its earnings outcomes on the 5th of May this year, 2025. Let's see. The company boasts an impressive client base. You may know that. It powers Voice AI in vehicle infotainment systems, drive-through restaurant kiosk, banking apps, and more. For instance, the company is working with more than 30% of the top 20 quick service restaurant chains and 70% of the top 10 global financial institutions. It also expanded deeper into auto signing deals with six additional Stellantis car brands to deploy its in car voice assistant. Yesterday, SoundHound announced a partnership with Tencent Holdings uh, to provide AI voice technology for in car assistance in China, and it has expanded its collaboration with NVIDIA by integrating NVIDIA AI enterprise tools to enhance its voice AI capabilities. And one of the key developments of the company has been its focus on reducing its reliance on one small set of clients. In 2024, its largest client made up just more than 40% of revenues, down from nearly 50% in 2023. And overall reliance on its top five customers has dropped from more than 90% to about one third, marking strong progress in diversifying its revenue base. So, given all of these, we have what's going on right now in this pre-market session of today, the 25th of April. It's up 1.81%. Looking at its 4-hour chart, what do we have here? We have that we are going to see some strength. It's expected that some strength will remain in place up till Wednesday, the 30th of May. Pretty much up till Friday, the 2nd of May. At various times, dipping down. Yeah. So this is what is expected on its 4-hour chart. And then this is the extrapolation of its profit of its price. We can have a look and see whether the momentum supports that momentum, whether there's a support for that in that regard. Let's see whether the momentum supports that upward push. Let's see. Let's get the price pressure momentum for its 10 period moving average. Okay, not really. So it's expected to, you know, print higher highs, print higher prices, but not with momentum. Because momentum is it has been showing momentum. It has been showing a lot of strength, especially with momentum before now. So what we're expecting to see wouldn't be as strong as what it has been since I would say since Monday the 21st of this month, April 2025. So going by all of that, we can go ahead and just quickly have a look at its daily chart and see what we have there. What we are expecting, what we should expect to see. Before we do that, let's see whether we can get upper projection. So we've seen the projection. We're looking at we're trying to okay. We've seen the projection, the extrapolation of its price, and now what we're trying to look for is the projection, the projection, the Fibonacci projection of its price. So we have no upper projections. We have downward projections. We have 7.18 and 7.38 on its. This is on its 4-hour chart. So let's go ahead and have a look at the daily chart and see what we have. On the daily chart, we have, let's see, a couple of projections. We have upper projection of 8.84. It's a down projection, 8.84. Upper projection, 9.73, 10.27. Yeah, so let's see what the extrapolation of its price is here on the daily chart. The market is not active at the moment, so but it's still quite useful. So let's see what we're going to find out here. I need to make some changes. Yeah, let's make it one. some reason I can't see. Okay, yeah, we have it. We have something here. So this is the extrapolation. Remember, this is the ones. This one's here. These are the Fibonacci projections, and then these are extrapolations. So they're quite handy because the projections can give you an indication of where potential resistance is. So there's potential resistance at 10.27. It may not cross there. As a matter of fact, we can see that is extrapolating that it's not going to cross by today. It's not going to get there. It's not going to breach that resistance. It's going to pull back by Monday, day 28th, and then maybe by Tuesday it may be able to, or Wednesday, or rather Wednesday, the 29th, it may break through and continue on to the highs of around 11.43 by Wednesday, the 7th of May. These are just extrapolations. There's no guarantee that that will pan out. So after that, it will consolidate. This will be, if it gets to 11.3, then this will indicate an expansion. And then this will, if a contraction will follow, and then we'll have another leg up to 11.63. No guarantee that that will be the case as well. So also this rejection, this extrapolated rejection at 11.48 also correlates with this resistance here that was expected, that was printed as of way back in the 28th of March. Yeah, so this is how things are right now. We can also have a look at its weekly chart, monthly chart, if it's possible, to see the trading range that is expected for what is left of this month, to see where it is trading relative to what is going on right now. So we'll put that, and then we go to the monthly chart and see where things are. So here we have a trading range of between 0.640 and 15.6 for this month. So it's currently trading at 9.38, closed at 9.38. It's currently at, what's the price now? 9.55 as things stand right now. So it is yeah, just slightly getting towards the first major resistance, 9.87, 9.89. So the yeah, if it gets to the sort of price we saw on that on the daily chart, then you might begin to consider taking your money out. If you are, if you yeah, if you don't have to, it's up to you. But it's just an indicating that there is an opportunity there. If you take your money out, an opportunity for you to come back in may arise. So that's what's going on. So the trading range, once again, for this month, or what is left of this month, is rather between 2.41 and 13.83. So the external numbers, the outermost numbers, 15.6 is at this sort of level. You shouldn't be here at all. You should have closed. You should have closed the position. And then down here, if you are here, then you should consider buying more, or going back in. So this is how things are. So see what you make of SOUN stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.